topic. We are going to cover about the why waste segregation matters. Actually, we all know about the how the waste composition is changed. So segregation is now become more important for us. And so we have to understand about the four waste stream because uh, if you know about the solid waste management 2000 rule, there is a two system been there. After that, in 2016, three bin system is emerged. Now it is four bin system because it's all about the types of waste composition. And then we have to focus on where we do the mistakes. So how can we minimize that mistake to promote the uh, segregations? So so before going to this, we have to first understand about the evolution of the solid waste management in India, because solid waste management not directly come into our practices. Earlier our ancestors also do the waste management at their backyard, but with the change in the lifestyle and everything, urbanization, it brought uh, diversity, means changes in our waste composition. So the first if during my research that I have found that this waste management rule evolved in the three phases. That is, the first phase is about the public health phase, and then it is about the environmental protection phase, and the later it about the climate change aspects. So why it is the public health phase? Because during the after the independence, we main focus of our government is to eradicate the communicable diseases, which were leading cause of morbidity and the mortality in the India. And the waste management at that time mostly centered around managing the fecal matter in the urban areas, largely through the composting. And later in 1975, the Ministry of Agriculture conducted the study in the urban area and found that 12 million tons of waste annually generated by India itself. So at the first composting, means to do the composting of the waste is first laid down by the Ministry of Agriculture in 1975, and across the India compost plant were set up by the municipal corporation and also by the sabji mandis. Later on, the Bhopal gas strategy highlighted the urgent need of the environmental law to manage the natural resource in India. And this Bhopal gas strategy has first law that emerges from that is the hazardous waste management. And now in 1991, about the plague that is emerges, and the study found out that the mainly the solid waste is the mostly responsible for this plague. And this lead to the formation of the two rules, that is the biomedical waste management rule in 1998 and the municipal solid waste management rule 2000. So here the municipal rule waste management 2000 signifies that it is the responsibility of the municipal corporation only, not about the common people, not about the others. Municipal corporation is only responsible for the solid waste management rule. So later in after 2000, that is the of the climate change, soil sustainable development goal, everything we are compliance with that. So various policy we have prepared to on the climate change, like the national sanitation policy, environmental policy, uh, everything that aim on minimize the soil waste management. So here you can see in the present in the slide that the biodegradable waste from the 1962 till is present in our composition, but mostly our the industrialization after 1980, you have found the different composition of the waste, that is hazardous waste, plastic waste, electronic waste, sanitary waste. And with the time the different rules were evolved to manage this waste. So the different rules suggest that how much segregation is important for us. So now the why the 5th June matter for us, it is not only the 5th June, it is our daily practices. Uh, Daily practices to work to as the solid waste is generate is as the population is growing. With the growth of population, we have witnessed that the solid waste generation is also increasing across the India, and the solid waste management is the key indicator of the national development as well as the public health. So the 2016 solid waste management rule marked a shift in responsibility from being solely on municipal corporation to involving all stakeholders equally in the waste management efforts. So, with this change in composition of waste, lifestyle, and the consumption pattern, lead to the, as I said, the mass generation of the solid waste. So, the World Environment Day remind us that to protect our environment for the better future and the better present. So many people associate with the climate action not mostly if you with the plantations or renewable energy, but later still they are less focusing on the soil waste management. However, the soil waste management, as I said, it is the key indicator of the national development. And so the segregation is very much important, as 60% of our waste composition is consists of biodegradable waste, and when it is mixed with the other waste, it is become hazardous. And on composting of such waste contain the high amount of heavy toxic metal which is enter into the our food chain, and it will cause health impact to the humans and animals. So now, so due to this, it is very important to segregate the waste correctly. Recycling, composting, and resource recovery become possible. So, from where the problem start? So it is problem start from the both point. First at the doorstep also, and at collection level also. Because as per the solid waste management rule 2016, we both means the generator as well as the collector waste collection authority both are responsible for the collection of the segregated waste. So because only due only by the waste generator who will segregate, but it not collected separately, then it is कोई भी इसका महत्व नहीं रह जाता है segregation का. So many people believe that the waste management begin with the waste collection when vehicle arrives. In reality, it begins inside our home and the workplaces. If you visit to the villages, you will found that still, because there is no landfill, they have to dispose their waste in their backyard only. So they used to segregate which waste go for disposal, which waste go for burn, which waste go for the recycle and the reuse. Okay, so it starts from the home and the workplace. When this all, as I mentioned, it become difficult to segregate because it increase the weightness of the solid waste as well as lower down the calorific value of that waste, and it's difficult to and require high energy consumption during the treatment process. So it is very important to everyone to segregate the waste based on the four stream segregation model that is provided by in 2026 rule, soil waste management rule, that is the wet waste, dry waste, sanitary waste, and the special care waste. So I have already mentioned in 2000 it is 2 bin system, then 2016 3 bin system, now it is 4 bin system. So, and the 4 bin system, you have to understand, if you want to protect your environment, to protect your surrounding, we have to segregate the waste separately and hand over this waste separately to the waste collector. If they are not doing, you can do complain also. It is provided on the website, because most of the services in the metro cities are taken by the private parties. So if you it's your responsibilities also to complain regarding the collection, the person who are involved in the collection services. You can put the complaint against them, that they are not collecting the separately. So now, what is weight waste? Everybody know about the weight waste and how its impact, composition impact when it mixes with the other waste also. Also. So first, try to keep weight waste separately. Okay. For that you require the bin, but not for the dry waste. You can also put in the bag all the dry waste. You can put into the bag and hand over to them. But in the wet waste we have to be also focus about the there are two type of dry waste. One that is completely dry, the means the plastic bags in which you bring the grains, the grains, fruits, vegetables, they are completely dry. But when it is come on like the milk pouch, lassi pouch, juice, these all are the dry wet waste. So when you mix with this dry waste again, it again, because this dry wet waste also require more energy to first they it will dry, then they will burn. So if you can do one thing, because most of the people used to consume daily the milk pouch, slightly just put on the hanger, it will dry, and then put in the bag. So it will reduce the use of energy while the treatments. And all know about the what are the dry recyclables, that is paper, metals, plastics, glass bottle, etc. So you all try to keep the dry waste separately. And the sanitary waste is not about the is not about the menstruational pad. It is also about the baby that use the diaper. The old age also using the diapers and seats. Things. Now earlier there is no any such systems are there. They use the reusable cloth for this all these things. So, but it again bring the extra, add the extra volume of the waste to the solid waste. And it is not in the urban area this waste is consuming. In the rural area also this type of waste is generating in the large amount, because the lifestyle of the every and each person has changed now. Hmm. So the sanitary waste now need a proper attention at, because it is not only a waste, it also a place of growing pathogen, can bring different type of diseases to the environment. So it need a necessary care. So try to give separately to the waste collectors. And now what we all the common mistake there, first that is the laziness. Who will take the responsibility and accountability to segregate this waste? Hmm? As I see, it is the responsibility of each and every person. And we, as a guardian, as a environmentalist, you have to teach your elders, youngers about how the segregation is important for the present life and balancing for the future. Because it is not only about the biodegradable waste now. It is about the hazardous waste. When all these biodegradable, hazardous waste, sanitary waste, when all combined, it means there is a chemical reaction will take place like that, and maybe different type of uh, uh, hazardous substances. It's not only pollute the air, it also affect our soil through the leachates, and also the about water pollution. So it's the responsibility of each person, and we have to take the accountability to segregate the waste into the four categories as given, and hand over this waste to the waste collector. So, as you all aware about the what wet, dry, and sanitary and special care, so we all have to be understood. Banana peel come under which category? Milk packet come under which category? Unused tissue come under which category? So this when we understand, you just in the house you make a one chart of this, and divide it. First you first study about which type of waste you are generating, how much you are generating. According to that, you keep for bin, okay, and segregate it and hand over to them, and it becomes easy for each and every person. It is the not a responsibility of the female, because in the solid waste management even seen that it is the responsibility of the housewife, yeah, daughters, not about the fathers, not about the son, because they are taking the responsibility only. So it is not mm, uh, इट इज लाइक दैट, जैसे आपको साफ घर में रहने की आदत है, तो घर का साफ रखने की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आप हर सदस्य का है, सिर्फ एक का नहीं है, एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो योर कंट्रीब्यूशन टुवर्ड द क्लीनलीनेस इनसाइड योर होम एंड आउटसाइड ऑल्सो. So, so we can say that we can start at home in 10 minutes, and we can do these practices daily basis, and it's not only help your mother, but also to the waste collector also, when it is you will give in the separate. But one thing I will say here, when you start giving into the separate bag again, uh, the waste is means you are four bags is around of 100 grams, okay, again you are generating the adding the volume the waste. So it is a responsibility of the corporation to take not in bags direct into the bin, okay. So, but for our convenience, we are giving to them to the bag system. In the in European Union countries, in the some of the Asian countries, don't use bags. They, you have to directly dispose in their bins. So here the system is a little bit different, but you have to start these practices, and collectively it's the not a single person responsibility, it is the family it will be, I will say it is full family responsibility. It is also part of your life, and you should manage this. So for the office, school, hostel, it is very much also important, because the here the dry waste is more in larger quantity in compared to the wet waste, and wet waste. So segregation is not only at household level is required, but at the office, school, hostel level is also required. So from today, we take the small steps toward the segregation by making four bins, okay? And we will separate wet, dry, and sanitary waste separately, and keep recyclable clean and dry. And thus through this you can help the waste collector also, your surrounding also, and your society also. So now it's on you how you contribute this to your environment. Thank you.
I have one question.
Yes.
At my location, there is no waste collector.
Mm-hmm.
What I do? How I manage the waste?
Where
No
you
one
are
is.
living? Where you are living?
I am currently living in Gurgaon.
Yes, Gurgaon. Yes, it's your responsibility first कि if we are segregating the waste, क्योंकि इंडिया में अभी ये इनिशियल स्टेज पे है, बहुत इनिशियल स्टेज पे है, अभी भी हम कुछ नहीं कर पाए हैं, 25 साल हो गए हम कुछ नहीं कर पाए हैं. तो इट्स योर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एंड सोसाइटी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू टॉक विद द म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन कि हाउ वी हैंड ओवर द सेग्रीगेटेड वेस्ट, क्योंकि रूल के अकॉर्डिंग हमें सेग्रीगेट करना है और हम कहाँ हैंड ओवर करें. जब तक आप सवाल नहीं पूछिएगा आपको जवाब नहीं मिलेगा.
मैम, कॉल कॉल वगैरह उठाते नहीं है कोई?
नहीं, उठाते नहीं है, मैं आई एग्री, लेकिन किसी को तो बोलना होगा ना, आरडब्ल्यूओ को लिख के देना होगा, किसी को बताना होगा कि हाउ हम सेग्रीगेशन करने, आपने कमिटमेंट किया कि हम सेग्रीगेशन करने को तैयार हैं. अब तो अब हम सेग्रीगेशन करने को तैयार हैं, जब आपका कमिटमेंट में, तो आप म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन से पूछिएगा हाउ दिस कमिटमेंट कैन फुलफिल्ड. ये आपका क्वेश्चन आप उनसे पूछिए. अगर आप नहीं कर पाते तो ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, हम ऐसे ही कचरा रोड पे डालेंगे और क्या कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि मेरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है सेग्रीगेशन करने की, देने को आप कर रहे हैं, इट्स योर कंट्रीब्यूशन. अब उनकी इसलिए मैंने कहा ये वन स्टेप प्रोसेस नहीं है सेग्रीगेशन. सेग्रीगेशन बाय द फैसिलिटेटर एंड द बाय द अथॉरिटी, बोथ इज इंपॉर्टेंट, नॉट बाय द वन पर्सन. आप सेग्रीगेट कर रहे हो, अथॉरिटी कुछ नहीं कर रहा है, तो फिर फायदा क्या है? विल इन द लैंडफिल विद द मिक्स वेस्ट. सो यहाँ पे गवर्नेंस की इशू है एवरीवेयर, बिकॉज व्हाई the waste solid waste management in India is because it is a not a revenue generating model. ठीक है, इस इज टोटली, इसमें सबसे हायर एक्सपेंडिचर लगता है और इसमें रेवेन्यू जनरेट नहीं होता है, इसलिए हर म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन भी इसको बहुत नीचे तबके में रखता है. कोई इस डिपार्टमेंट में काम करना नहीं चाहता है क्योंकि किसी को फायदा भी नहीं है. Nobody wants
Yes,
to.
right, ma'am. Like after new rules,
Hmm.
people are only collecting in two bin tipper only. They don't have separate bin for collecting special care waste and sanitary waste.
See, actually, there should be a plan for the collection system. We have no plan for the collection system. Only we are wasting fuel on collecting the waste. There is no plan. First of all are working nowadays. So why the waste collection is happen after 9 a.m.? Do it in the night?
Yes.
10, 11, 12?
Yeah, you are saying right, ma'am.
हाँ, सो बिकॉज कोई भी है कि रात को 10 बजे तो कोई कचरा फेंक देगा, घर में आ रहा है, ठीक है. अब जिसके पास सर्विस नहीं है, मान लेते हैं किसी की नाइट शिफ्ट की ड्यूटी है, ठीक है, वो रात शाम के 6 बजे से क्या है, कंपोजिट मटेरियल एग्जांपल पेपर, confusing to decide how to segregate waste, especially in case of composite material. Example, paper waste container packet with a number. Okay. I mean, I'm saying that if there is a जो रात की जो होती है लेट नाइट सर्विसेज होती है, आप उस समय आप अवेलेबल नहीं हो घर में, तो व्हाट द सिस्टम फॉर देम. देन एक होना चाहिए कि एक ड्रॉप पॉइंट होना चाहिए कहीं पर भी कि आप वहाँ पे जाके ड्रॉप कर सकते हो, ठीक है, कि हाँ. और बिकॉज it required a assessment and the survey and the concern of the person ki how you contribute to the waste collection and the segregation. And this is as a policy analyst I have suggest to the at the MOF also and at the Delhi Municipal Corporation, while I am giving the training to the sanitation worker, this also कि उन्होंने कहा कि सफाई नहीं हो पाती, तो मैंने कहा रात में सफाई कीजिए, दिन में सफाई नहीं हो पाती, रात में दुकान 8 बजे के बाद बंद हो जाता है, रात में सफाई कीजिए. Few small districts in Bihar has taken this step to clean the market in the night only, not in the morning, because सुबह से 6 बजे से मार्केट शुरू हो जाता है, सब्जी की मार्केट शुरू हो जाती है, उसके बाद दुकानें खुल जाती हैं. It's difficult to clean in the morning time. So they have taken the responsibility to pick up the waste in the night, and few districts of Bihar is doing that to keep the surrounding clean. पर वहाँ पे भी सिर्फ कलेक्शन हो रहा है, नॉट treatment. So that's why they are just disposed in the landfills, open landfills. So you have to be responsible and make the municipal corporation also responsible toward its कि आप भी contribute करें, आप भी आगे आएं इसमें.
Yeah, right, ma'am. Ma'am, there is one question in the chat.
हाँ हाँ.
Yeah.
Paper waste container packet with the non-biodegradable lining, sellotape, etc. It will go on the dry waste only. Okay, dry waste. I have already mentioned that dry waste is also two types, not one type. Dry waste means the plastic waste, glass waste, everything. But when like a milk pouch is a dry, but it is wet. Lassi ka pouch, it is dry, but it is wet also. So at home when you are using, just rinse it with any wastewater and just clip it, then it become dry. Put in the bag of the dry waste. I used to do that. Okay. I used to sell to the kawaii walas to all these things. Okay, but still it is there कि now most of the plastic is also having the low calorific value, so it is difficult to recycle them also. Now this is the problem, present problem when I am talking to the Delhi RAMKI, DWS, Delhi Waste Management. They have mentioned that most of the packaging material having low calorific value, and most of the plastic would also have a low calorific value. It's difficult to burn them. So we have more R&D is required in designing the packaging material, in the plastic material, how much you have to use. So it is a long-term process, and it start, yeah, it is true that it start with the segregation. That's why our, if you now in the villages also, because the distance between the rural and urban is now diminishing, so their waste composition is also same. They are also facing now the same, because most of the farmers have no land to dispose their waste. There is no system, no system. They used to burn them. So it is now, it is true the segregation is happen at the doorstep itself. और जब तक हम नहीं contribute करेंगे, सामने वाला भी नहीं करेगा. Yes, is there a way to push the companies to switch more eco-friendly packaging? Because you have to standardize about the MOF is the policy maker bodies, and they have to make the standard and CPCB on this packaging material, so that it for both it will be a good in the because in the last disposal is more important in the waste management. And if the standard is made on this कि हाँ इस तरह की packaging material बनने चाहिए, then it contribute to the sustainable practices.
Okay. So, anyone have any more question?
Yes, ma'am. I have one more question. Yes, ma'am. So, can you name any country which managing the waste very properly and like that?
Yes.
Which is मतलब जो सबसे बढ़िया काम कर रहा है वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट
सिंगापुर,
में?
सिंगापुर सबसे अच्छा है.
सिंगापुर.
Yes.
उनका ऐसे क्या मॉडल है मैम? उसके बारे में थोड़ा बताइए.
वहाँ फूड वेस्ट भी अलग करना है, उनका डिफरेंट डिफरेंट ड्रॉप ऑफ पॉइंट है. मेन है the people have the civic sense and authority have also the civic sense. They both have designed them. जापान में भी एविएशन कंट्री है, आप उसमें भी जाओ, आपको कहीं भी आपको कहीं नहीं मिलेगा. फिर आपका ये है क्या कहते हैं नॉर्वे है, आप वहाँ भी जाओ. दे हैव स्पेसिफाई. स्वीडन है, स्वीडन में तो वहाँ का वेस्ट टू एनर्जी प्लांट खाली पड़ा है, वो कचरा खरीद रहे हैं जलाने के लिए. मतलब उन लोगों ने सेग्रीगेशन कलेक्शन सिस्टम पे काम किया हुआ है. हमारे यहाँ सेग्रीगेशन लोअर स्टेट है, उनके यहाँ सेग्रीगेशन कलेक्शन सिस्टम है. They have planned way of collection system, and each person is contributing to them. एक छोटा 4 साल का बच्चा भी को पता है कि सेग्रीगेट करना है, और एक बुजुर्ग को भी पता है।
ओके मैम।
Yeah.
तो मैम आपने वो कहा कि अभी जो कूड़ा जलाता है स्वीडन, तो फिर उससे पोल्यूशन नहीं होता अगर कूड़े को जलाएंगे तो?
नहीं, पॉल्यूशन तो होता ही है, बट इसमें चिमनी लगा होता है जो फिल्टर करके छोड़ता है एट दैट स्टेक हाइट। ओके, वहाँ उतना बर्डन नहीं है क्योंकि वहाँ मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इंडस्ट्रीज नहीं है ज़्यादा वहाँ पे। एशियन कंट्रीज में मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इंडस्ट्री ज़्यादा है, दैट्स व्हाई इट इज टू मच लोड इन आवर कंट्री साइड्स।
और मैम ये एक और क्वेश्चन था कि जैसे SWM रूल्स आए हैं 2026 के, वो वेस्ट कलेक्टर के लिए भी हैं या मतलब वो सिटीजन्स के लिए हैं ओनली?
मैंने कहा ना, SWM रूल 216 सिर्फ और सिर्फ म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं है, सबकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, शेयर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है। अगर मैं सेग्रीगेट कर रही हूँ तो मेरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है सेग्रीगेशन की, तो म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन की है, क्योंकि ये जो 2026 जो है वो अमेंडमेंट है, रूल नहीं है, और वो भी अमेंडमेंट था। तो अमेंडमेंट में ऐड हुआ है कि अब सबकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कचरा को सही सेग्रीगेशन करना। हमें भी उतना ही, हम भी उतना ही जिम्मेदार है, और क्या कहते हैं, अथॉरिटी भी उतना ही जिम्मेदार है उसको सेग्रीगेट कलेक्शन सिस्टम की। इंडिया के पास सेग्रीगेट कलेक्शन सिस्टम नहीं है, जिसकी वजह से ये प्रॉब्लम्स है।
ओके मैम। मैम जैसे हमने सेग्रीगेट किया है, हम जैसे 4 बिन्स रखे हुए हैं और पर जैसे हमने उसको दिया वेस्ट कलेक्टर को और वो मिक्स कर दे रहा है, तो फिर क्या होगा उसका?
क्या होगा, वो इन करेगा उसी तरह, इसको इन द लैंडफिल, इन द मिक्स वेस्ट। दैट इज व्हाई इट इज, see, in the India is what happening, my post on the LinkedIn also to the CPCB, that it 2000 we are doing practices on dry and wet waste, but up to 2026 we have not achieved 5% also in that area. If you
ओके मैम।
if you see the number of landfill from 2015 to 2025, only the number of landfill increases.
यस मैम। मैम वो अभी ये न्यूज आई थी कि वो जो लैंडफिल है दिल्ली के अंदर उसको कम कर रहे हैं, हटा रहे हैं, तो ऐसा कुछ है या वो मतलब फेक न्यूज है?
नहीं नहीं, वो कर रहे हैं, वो आरडीएफ उसका बना के, पैलेट्स बना के, उसको स्क्रीनिंग करके, उसको जला के, उसका आरडीएफ पैलेट्स बना के उसको बेचने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। बस इट टेक्स टाइम, बिकॉज ये बहुत सालों का है, 30 मतलब 1975 से लेके अभी तक का वो कचरा है। आप सोच सकते हैं, इट
It's
इज
legacy waste.
हाँ,
It's legacy waste.
it we can't say it is a legacy waste, it क्या मैं बोलूं, उसको बर्न करने से भी कुछ नहीं मिलने वाला, क्योंकि उसमें बहुत मिक्स है। लेगेसी वेस्ट है, पर क्या उसमें कुछ क्वालिटी तो है नहीं।
मैम फिर क्वालिटी नहीं है तो उसका पैलेट कैसे बन रहा है?
कैसे बन रहा है, जो प्रेजेंट जो जा रहा है ना, इतना मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इंडस्ट्री सराउंडिंग दिल्ली का हो चुका है ना, कि जो भी प्लास्टिक है, क्योंकि जो भी इंडस्ट्री है उसको कोयले से नहीं, पैलेट के थ्रू ही रन करना है, जो नॉर्म्स है, उसको इतना परसेंट पैलेट खरीदना है, इसलिए ये जो बन रहा है वो वहाँ जाता है, सप्लाई होता है।
ओके मैम, थैंक यू मैम।
Okay. So, anyone have any more question? I think no one have any question. So, I would like to thank you, ma'am, for sharing your valuable insights on waste segregation. Your thoughts and guidance have helped us for better understanding the importance of proper waste management and its positive impact on the environment. And we truly appreciate the time and effort you took to share your knowledge and experience with us. Your contribution has been both informative and inspiring. Someone has messaged in the chat. In case we do have questions later, is there a way to reach out?
Yes, yes, sure.
Yeah, you can reach out to ma'am directly, and if you want to ask Team Greener any question, you can reach out on our website and on our app. Okay, then we can like close the session.
Hmm.
So anyone have no more question? And thank you, ma'am, for your
Thank
valuable
you. Thank
time
you.
and effort. Thanks, everyone. Have a good day.